Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Understanding Concept. Today we will be discussing a very easy trick to multiply any number with 11. We will be doing this multiplication within a span of time. So let's start. I will be doing this by taking some of the examples for you so that you can understand the concept very clearly. Right. So here the very first example I am going to have is, suppose we are having a number 45 and we have to multiply that number by 11. Right. So what the trick is, first of all count the digits over here. You have to count the number in this number that is to be multiplied by 11, including the 11, like 1 2 3 4. Here I am having total 4 digits, so I will be having 3 digits in the output, in the result basically. So what the trick is, what you have to do is just write the first number in the first place, that is 4, and write the second number on the last place. Now what the third step you have to do is add these both of the numbers, that is the 4 and 5. 4 and 5 will be 9. Right here the 9. So the multiplication of 45 by 11 will be equal to 495. It's that easy, right? So the next example we are going to have is, suppose we are having a number 93 and we have to multiply that number by 11. Now again you have to count the number of digits. It's 1 2 3 4. I will be roughly having 3 spaces over here. So what the next step you have to do is just write the first digit in the first place, write the second digit on the last place, that is 3. Now add both of these digits. 9 plus 3, as you know 9 plus 3 is 12, but here you have to write only the one digit, that is 2 from the 12, then that means 1 is the carry. Now what we have to do is, we will be here a 1 to be carry forward, so that will be added. So the final result we will be having is a, just add 1 and 9, that is 1023. The multiplication of 93 into 11 will be 1023. Let's have some more examples to understand the concept. The third example we are going to have is, suppose I am now considering a 3-digit number, that is 642. Now we will be multiplying this 642 by 11. Then again roughly count the digits, 1 2 3 4 5. Here I am having 5 total digits, that means I will be taking 4 digits in the result. So what again we have to do is write the first digit on the first place, that is 6 over here, write the last digit on the last place, that is 2 over here. Now what we have to do is, we will be adding both of these digits. 4 plus 2, that is 6. We will be right here the 6. Now 6, this 6 will be added to this 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Again we have to write here only one digit. We will be writing here 0 from the 10, and the 1 is here to be carry forward. Now this will be added, so the final result will be 6 plus 1 here is 7062. So the multiplication of 642 by 11 will be equal to 7062. So let's have one more example. The number 4-digit number I am going to have is 7639. Suppose we have to multiply this number by 11. Again roughly count the digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now total 6 digits are here. I will be here making the 5 spaces for the result. So again what you have to do is a very simple thing. First digit of the number will be placed over here, last digit of the number will be placed in the last space. Now you have to add both of these numbers. 9 plus 3, as you know, 9 plus 3 is 12. I will be writing here the 2 and 1 is here for to the carry forward. So next, this 6 and 3, add these 6 and 3 are 9. So here 9 plus 1, this carry, that will be 10. 0 and 1 is again for the carry forward. Now add these two digits, 6 and 7. 6 and 7 is the, yes, 6 and 7 is 13. 13 and 13 plus this 1 carry, 14. That means 4 is here from the 14 and 1 is for the carry forward. Yes, again we have the final result as we have to add this carry also, that is 84029. That means the multiplication of 7639 by 11 will be equal to 84,029. One more example I am going to have. Now I will be having one more bigger number for you, that is 23241. Here I am having 23,241. Now I have to multiply this big number by 11. I will be definitely doing this using the trick only. I will be counting the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 2 to 7 digits. So definitely I will be marking here the 6 digit space. So again what we have to do is we will be taking this first digit and placing it on the first place. We'll be taking the last digit and we'll be placing on the last place, right? Again this first and the next digit, 4 plus 5 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Yes, next addition of the next digits, 4 plus 2 is 6. Addition of the next digits, 3 plus 2 is 5. Addition of the next digits, 2 plus 3 is 5. So the result is the multiplication of 23,241 is when multiplied by 11 will be equal to this 255651. So you can see how easy it is to multiply any number by 11 when we are going to use this trick. So I will be definitely putting more and more videos for these tricks, so that you can calculate all the calculations within a very easy span of time, very quickly. So just support my channel. If you have still not subscribed the channel, then subscribe it and hit the bell icon. Thank you.